best way to improve the drivability, performance, and the overall noise of your four-wheel drive is a full exhaust. In the case of Andy's 150 series turbo diesel Prado you see next to me, we've opted for the full mandrel bent 304 stainless steel Torqit exhaust, and it has absolutely transformed his car. We've seen gains of 12 kilowatts and 41 newton meters from just installing this exhaust. Being 304 stainless, it is seriously tough. It's also beautifully polished and fully mandrel bent. The flanges are laser cut 2 and 3 bolt flanges with a diesel specific high flow cat and a diesel specific high flow muffler. What more, the dump pipe that's got an EGT bung already in it is also titanium coated, so this thing is ready for business. What more, if you wanted to couple an exhaust like this with a Torqit Power Module and a Torqit throttle controller, you can expect to see gains of 41 kilowatts and 97 newton meters overall as a three-way package. It's a serious boost in power. If you've ever driven a modern car, or just about any car with an ECU, you know what I'm about to talk about: throttle lag. It is possibly one of the most annoying things about any new car. It's that tiny second of hesitation that you get from when you plant your foot on the throttle to when the car responds and takes off. And Torqit has the answer. The Torqit throttle controller is going to eliminate that factory throttle lag by intercepting the signal between the throttle and the ECU. What more, it has a 5-year warranty, it maintains all the factory wiring and even uses the factory plugs. Even better, it's got 18 driver-specific modes that you can cycle through on the fly to get the throttle just how you like it. If you're chasing a little bit more power out of your common rail diesel, or you're towing heavy loads, carrying heavy loads, any of that kind of stuff, you just want that little bit of extra grunt up those big long hills on the motorway, then Torqit have you covered with their Torqit Power Modules. We recently fitted one to the Prado you see behind me, which has of course got the 3-litre common rail diesel motor, and let me tell you, it has transformed this car. Now, how does it do it? Well, the Torqit Power Modules increase your fuel efficiency and increase your power and torque purely by playing with the air-fuel mixture, which is obviously your air-fuel ratio. Now, what more? Neat mounting, German engineered and designed circuitry, and extensive Australian condition testing mean that the Torqit Power Module will never let you down in the bush. They've thought of absolutely everything. Another cool thing about the Torqit Power Module that not a lot of people know is that they run with an app as well, the Torqit Connect app. Now what does that mean? Well, it means that from the comfort of the inside of your car, you're going to be able to adjust the power modes on the Torqit module from the app. So all it does is you jump into the power mode, you can turn it on, and the car's obviously got to be an accessory or on for this to work. You can change between your 3 modes: economy, cruise, and sport. Economy is going to be if you're trying to squeeze that extra fuel range, if you're doing a long highway trip, that's going to be the one for you. If you're just putting around, cruising around, doing a couple of little tracks, fire trails and that kind of thing like we've been doing in the Wadigans today, then cruise is going to be a good kind of immediate for you. Sport is where the real party is at. If you're like me and you're like maximum noise and maximum power all the time, sport's going to give you exactly that. Now, I just leave it in this, but the ability is that adjusting to your driving conditions on the fly is what this is all about.